everyone, Metal Menace here. Welcome to the channel. I'm going to do the first video in the series on my modifications I made on my blast cabinet. One of the first ones I'm going to talk about is the lighting that I installed into my cabinet. Now, I have the Princess Auto brand blast cabinet, the blue one, which I'll show you here now. So that's my blast cabinet. These do not come with a light, but there is a light kit that you can buy from Princess Auto with them. Funny enough though, the red box and the switch come with the unit when you buy it, except for the light on the inside. So the light that Princess Auto sells for these is a 12 volt tube light kind of style that you bolt up into the back corner. So I'll show you on the inside here what I've got put in there. I'll turn it on. I'll just turn my vacuum off and I'll turn the lights on. So from the outside, it looks pretty good. Now, a lot of the reviews that I've read about the light that you can buy from Princess Auto for these weren't very good, not very bright. They dimmed after time and all that kind of stuff. So I got 3 lights on. As you've probably seen one of my other videos, I installed that third one about 2 weeks ago. And there is the lights there. All I did was pretty much ran it right to the switch and the box that came with the unit. Ran the wires up through. I got 3 4-inch LED lights installed in here. I find they work very well. The blast media for the cabinet doesn't etch the polycarbonate lens on them. They wipe off very easily and they're nice and bright. They don't heat up. And yeah, wiring was simple. It's pretty basic. I used little plastic clips and rivets from the outside to hold it in. I like using the rivets because just like here where I ran these ones, they look almost like they were part of the cabinet. What I did too was this switch here, I would have to turn on my vacuum for my suction and then turn on my light. So instead of having to do that, I put a box on here. I have my vacuum plugged in, I have my lights plugged in. I just leave this switch on and it's a single switch. Now I turn my vacuum off for the demonstration of lights, but I usually just leave it in the on position, flick the switch on when I'm ready to go, turns my suction and my lights on, and then it's just one switch to turn off. So yeah, there's one of the mods I've done. Hit that like button, make sure you guys subscribe. If you got any questions, you got any comments, anything like that, leave them down below. I'll get back to you, and keep an eye out for some more of my mod videos. Thanks, bye.